Hi guys, and welcome to Fxmarketstrategyadmin. We continue our weekly forecast. So first of all, we display our VSA market scanner. The market scanner has two icons at the top here. If you click on the right one, it's going to show you the indexes, which is the most important thing in trading Forex. This will show you the strengths of all indexes beside each other. You will try to trade only the strongest one against the weakest one, and you try to avoid equal strength indexes, because the market will range if you trade equal strength indexes. But if you trade the strongest against the weakest, then you will be in trending. And in Forex, really what you want is fast match volatility against short period of time. That's what you want. If you do have the big volatility against in a short amount of time, then you're going to be in the money. So if you go to the left side here, it's going to give you all the signals, like 29 or 30 signals, majority of the pairs that we trade, and it's going to tell you if it's a buy or a sell. What you really need to look at is the delta number. If this number is in red, it means a sell. If it's green, it's a buy. Okay, the bigger the number is, the higher momentum you have. So for euro dollar minus 3.4, that was a strong sell. Okay, if you look at the pound New Zealand, that was really strong sell. For the buys, if you looked at the New Zealand Canadian, that was a strong buy. If you looked at the USDCAD, that was a strong buy. So it will give you what is strong against what's weak, what is really good trade, how to trade it, it's a buy or a sell. And that's really good. So guys, what you really want to do, so let's say right here, you have two options. If this is the volatility and this is the time, volatility against time, and you have one trend, much volatility in very short period of time, so, and another trend, too much time and small volatility. So this one here is the volatility, and this over time. Of course, all of us are going to agree that you want a higher volatility in short period of time, and that's what the market scanner is going to give you. It's going to give you what is volatile, what is really has a momentum, a lot of volume in it. You know, there is movement in it, and you're going to trade it in the shortest amount of time. So if you look at this one, you really take a very small amount of time. You know, if you draw it like this, that's the time you did take, almost from here to here only. Where this one, you did take so much time. So where someone else will be within a day is making 100 pips, you're going to be staying 5 days, and you're going to be ending in 20 pips. Okay, so that's a really super strong trend, and that's a trend that is very weak. Okay, some other markets are going to be choppy market, going up and down like this, and that's ranging because the indexes are equal strengths, and you really don't want to be in this kind of market, because this market is going to drain you, is going to get you stressed, and is going to waste your money, and is going to make you end up being in loss. So it's taking too much time, and there's no volatility, it's up and down. So really to success in Forex, you want to 100% avoid this. Avoid all the range of markets. This is waste of time. You want to do your best to get in higher volatility in the short period of time. You do either scalping or intraday trading or swing, whatever, but you want something with high volatility, and also you want to be in the right direction. If this is going up, you want to be in the buy, you don't want to be in the sell. Okay guys, if we go for the dollar index, so we can see the dollar index did crash as we expected last week, and that was really nice. Then it did bounce. What we do expect is small wave up. Okay, if you did buy from here, that's fine, just take your profit, then wait. Do not buy or sell now. Wait, you get something like this, a reversal one like this here. Okay, once this continue, and the system will give you the first red candle in the 1 hour time frame, you can enter with it. Okay guys, this will be the best entry right here with the first red candle. I don't think it's going to bounce down from here, and I don't think it's going to go up to break the stop. I think it's just going to go up halfway but come down. But the other two scenarios are still possible. So you're always in the Forex trading, you make the possibility of all the scenarios, but you would like to see the best one, and you would like to trade the best one. And only don't trade the forecast, but only trade your system. You must have a system and trade your system, your signals, the one you did backtest. Okay. Our forecast here is just discussing as a team, you know, what could happen next week. Does it have to happen? Of course not. Okay, so we're discussing as a team what could be the potential good trade next week. If that scenario will happen, we would like to be in the trade like that. Okay guys, you know our forecast for the Dow, it's only up. We have been saying up from down here. Okay, we have been given also signals. This is the APCO trading system, guys. It's amazing system. Okay, it's available on our website www.Fxmarketstrategy. And if you need any setup in the system also after you purchase the system to look like this, you guys are most welcome to contact us, and we can fix it in your laptop and everything. So we have all the kind of support you need. DAX is the same thing like the Dow. Okay, so SPX is the same. We only take up signal, only buy. Okay guys, only up waves. There is no selling. There's so much support, and you can see all the trend lines and all the dynamic support and everything. Momentum is all up. The European Central Bank is printing tons and tons of money. Okay, if you guys have seen the meeting, you know they're certain about it. They're printing piles and piles of money. So don't go sell this. The bank is just buying. Don't go trade against a central bank. Okay guys, and also trade only with signal, just in case something happens and comes down. I don't think it's gonna come down, but just in case it will happen. So you always take only the signal. A euro, this has a potential to come down. Okay guys, so this scenario is possible, but keep in mind, I still can see the possibility. Not that, no, you'll say 80% chance. This can give it one wave up to here, then come back down, because this area is not really the best to sell. So we want to take only sell, but it could be from higher place. Don't take this buy at all. Down, it can continue to come down a little bit. Okay, it may not be ready to go up yet. It may make one move down. Okay, so it may come down a little bit like this more first, but we really are not gonna trade this one. Okay, so avoid any sell in the bound. Wait for reverse, confirm its signal, then take a buy. I hope this is clear. Franc index has been ranging, so we expect to come down. Japanese yen, we expect this to go up, and this is the reverse of Japanese index. What does this mean? Also JPY pairs are gonna be, we're gonna take only the buy signal. Don't take any sell. Buy everything against Japanese yen. So what we expect in Australia, an uptrend, up move, but first we can see one wave down. Not sure to happen, but this is a possibility to come down and take it. Do not sell Australian or New Zealand or Canadian. We're gonna only buy them. New Zealand, the same thing, only buy. But this we can see, you can see this area has been projected so many times. It's gonna break it, okay? This is gonna be broken, and it's gonna be broken, and we're gonna go top here. But is it next week or the week after? That's a doubt. So you can see this breaking to the top now, or you can see one small down, then going up. Anyway, we're not gonna trade selling. We're not gonna sell to New Zealand. You're gonna wait to take the buy signal. Guys, even if it comes all the way down here, we don't want to be in this sell at all. Okay, we're gonna take only the buy signal. Any scenario, we're gonna take only the buy of New Zealand. Don't need to take any sell. Okay, so New Zealand, and Australia and Canadian, we're gonna only buy them with a buy signal. It doesn't matter how much the correction they're gonna go down. We're gonna take only one direction, the up direction. I think you guys are clear about the USD crude. We have given the signals from down here, and we said only buy. And this system is APCO, is designed specifically to trade the US oil. This has been designed specifically to trade oil. So if you're in the oil business, and that's a lot of business, the most traded commodity every day is the oil. So our energy sector is the oil. Oil has so much money. You're talking about 30 barrels per day has been, world production and stuff. So there is so much money in oil, and easy money. It's not hard. There is no trending. There is no ranging. It's always trending. There are always money. And this APCO system is probably the best system you can ever get to trade oil. Has been designed to trade. You can see it right in front of you. If you cannot sell here, if you cannot buy here, I think you can't get anything easier than that. And clear and strong also and powerful. So we're gonna take only the buy signal, guys, only the buy. Okay, so please do not sell the oil. Even if it's gonna make a correction down, don't sell it. Let it go down to 25. If it's gonna go down, I don't think it's gonna go at all. I think it's gonna fly up, but let's say scenario it's gonna go to 25. Do not trade this wave, down wave. Take only the buy wave. See, don't say RSI is overbought. Don't say MACD is at the top here. Don't give a thought for any of this. Only take the buy signal in the oil. Brent is the same thing. Only take it. We're gonna go back to 55, guys. 55 target. Okay. Gold Don't trade too much in gold. It has not been very good lately, and too much range in it a little bit at the end. What we expect is one wave up, then coming down. Okay, but later on, the longer term trend is going to continue to the upside. So if you want to catch this drop nicely, okay, this will be good. Okay, but first I think it's going to go up a little bit. So anyway, do not be in too much gold. Pound New Zealand, we talked yesterday about coming down. That was really nice. It did come down. So what we expect now is a little bit farther down than up. So farther down than up. Pound dollar, we have been talking, if this top was not broken, then we're gonna come all the way down to here. We did come down, another correction is coming back down. So possibly small wave down. Don't trade this wave down. Then we're gonna take this buy. We're gonna take this up wave right here. Even if this will reach down here all the way, and that's possible, do not trade it. Don't take this sell. We're gonna take only the buy. Okay guys, wait for the buy signal. Pound Australian is the same thing. That was really beautiful. We have talking about selling for the last 3-4 weeks. That's like 2,000 points, guys. 1,750. Okay, so middle. So we can get a little bit one more wave down here. Okay, to end this. Then we're gonna take the buy signal. Do not sell Pound Australian, even if it's gonna go down 200 bips. At any time, this can fly up. So do not sell it. USDCHF, this is gonna continue to be slow, but we think a small up move here, then crashing down later on. Euro dollar, the system was fantastic here, given this buy signal and given the sell signal. What we expect is there's no buy signal yet. To come down a little bit farther, then it may go down to here or it may go down to here. Okay, watch out, guys. So either case, or if you're in the sell, just move your stop and take profit. The next is gonna be a buy, either from this here or from that. So we're gonna take only the next wave as a buy. USDJPY, we expect a small up, then a small down, then a up again. This is gonna continue to range, guys. USD CAD, only take the sell. Do not buy it. Don't buy it, guys. Don't buy it. So if you throw this, okay, guys. So this is the APCO system with a black background only and trended. So this is coming down. See how much resistance trend in here. How much trend lines, and gonna have find a lot of resistance in this area. So only take the sell wave. Don't buy dollar CAD. Even if it's gonna go 100 pips up, do not buy it. Only take the sell. This is 600 pips overvalued. It needs to come back to 1.34 over time. So you want to benefit from every sell. Every sell you take and avoid every buy. Australian USD, we expect one move down. We talked last week about a correction down, guys, and we said don't buy at all here. Wait 100 pips down, then we're gonna, once we get a buy signal, we're gonna take the buy signal. It's going fantastic. So this may happen or it may go straight up. Okay, don't sell Australian USD, even if it's gonna go down a little bit. Euro bound, we expect a small up wave, then coming down. Canadian Japanese yen, this is going up with the oil, guys. So only take the buy signal. Avoid any sell. Avoid any sell in Canadian Japanese yen. Take only the direction of the buy signals. This is the long-term forecast and long-term direction. Pound yen, we can expect a small down, then up. Only take the up with a buy signal, something like this here, right here. Okay. Euro New Zealand, we're gonna take only the sell signal, guys. Okay. Only the sell signals. This is the 4-hour time frame, and this is gonna come down. If you go for the 1-hour time frame, I think it was really easy to trade, right? You can take this sell to make money. You can take this buy to make money. And you can see all the trend lines supporting you exactly. Then it did bounce from a trend line here, is coming back, you know, like this. It was ranging at the end of the last week. So what we expect is down, but watch out. There's a chance we get like another 100 pips up, then a crash down. So you want to take the sell signal only, but watch out. There's a possibility to give you one up, then coming back down. New Zealand dollar, there's a chance we can get one down, then one back up. You guys remember last week we were here, we said we expect one down, then one up. Exactly happened. Perfect. That was a perfect trade. Even some of our members asked about New Zealand Japanese yen in the comment section in the weekly forecast last week, and they said a little bit down, then up, and that perfect. That was fantastic. So what we do expect is small down, then up. So you want to take only the buy signal. Don't take the New Zealand dollar. Even so, though we expect this may come down 50 pips, don't go for it. Go for the long one. I think USD, you guys can give us a like for this one. This crashed so bad, and they have been saying USD ZAR, USD Mexican, USD Turkish Lira, 3 of them are a good sell, and that was fantastic. You should have made a lot of money in this one. Pound franc, small down then up. Euro CAD only down, only sell. Okay guys, only sell, only sell. There is no buy at all. Okay, like this. So we expect this down wave. Even if it's gonna go up a little bit, it's gonna come back down. Euro Australian is the same thing. We expect down. Okay guys, this was the end of our forecast today. I hope you guys will, all of you are gonna be in profit. Please trade safe and don't risk too much. So 1 to 2% in every trade. Have patience. Don't keep watching the trade. Just do your analysis. Give the trade, then give it its time. Give it time to grow. Give it time to invest. Okay, don't keep looking at it. It's just gonna get you stressed. Give it time. Give it time. Okay, guys. Thank you. If you'd like to install our systems, please visit our website www.Fxmarketstrategy, and you guys are most welcome to download them. And all the systems just exactly as you see here. And if you need any support by any means, please contact us. Thank you, and you guys have a wonderful day and happy Eid for all. Thank you. Goodbye.